Oh, welcome everyone back to the command prompt video series. We've primarily been working with folders and just showing you how to create. Today we'll show you how to create some files and then also how to undo some of the folders. So let's get started by opening the command prompt, CMD, enter, and then as usual we are going to cd into the desktop. For this one, let's just make a new directory. We'll call this apartment. And right here, apartment appeared. We're going to cd into apartment. Now let's go ahead and open that up so we can see what we're doing in there. And we'll make another folder, directory bedroom 1. Make directory living room. Alright, you see both folders appear down here. Let's go ahead and change into bedroom 1. And the new command we're going to be using is called echo. Echo just says, hey, whatever I have here, echo hello world, and hit enter. All it does is it shows hello world down here. Let's clear the screen here. I'll try that one more time. Echo 1, 2, 3, and you see 1, 2, 3 right here. Well, that by itself isn't really useful, but command redirection, what you can do is you can say echo 1, 2, 3, and you use a right arrow, and you say put it in this file, and if this file doesn't exist, create it for me. And we'll say 123.txt says put it into a text file. .txt is an extension that denotes that it is a text file. Enter. You see nothing appeared right here, but if I do a dir, you'll see there's now a file called 123.txt. And if you want to read what's in a file, let's actually go down here and we'll go bedroom 1, and you see it's right here. So we can open that up and you see 1, 2, 3 is inside. Or if you want to read it from the command prompt, you can use the command type 123.txt. I'll show you that. The file already exists. Echo, we'll say hello world. And we'll put this into 123.txt and enter. Doesn't show anything, but if we open up 123.txt here, it says hello world now, and it completely erased the 123 that was inside. It will overwrite anything inside it. Now if I wanted to add 123 and do echo and go use 2 arrows, which is for append, says hey, don't overwrite what's in the file, just add to it. So we'll echo 123 and we'll add this to 123.txt. And now if I open this, you see hello world and 123. It didn't override it, it just added my line to it. I can go up and I can add whatever I want here, anything you can put into a text file, and it will just add to it. And I can also see that from the command line. Type 123.txt, and it shows you each one on a separate new line. But if you forget that arrow, remember, it will overwrite it. So if I go up here and I do echo echo hello, and I do just one arrow, 123.txt, it doesn't ask me to save as, doesn't ask me to save over, doesn't ask any of that. It just says, hey, you told me to do this, so I did it for you, and all my other lines are overwritten. CLS again. So you can be careful with that file, especially if you're adding to a very important text file or anything like that. And now the last command I'm going to show you, not the last command, but the last command for this video, is how to remove a directory or how to delete a folder. Up to this point, we've just been creating, because deleting, just like the text file, it doesn't always ask you, and you can't undo it. So be very, very careful with it. I go cd ... So now we're in the apartment folder. Got to make this down here. And we can confirm dir, and I have bedroom 1 and I have living room. So the command to remove a folder is RMDIR, and we're going to remove the living room. Doesn't ask, it does not go to the recycle bin, it is just deleted. This folder is gone. It is an empty folder, so that's why that worked. Now what we're going to do is remove dir, and we want to remove bedroom 1. This one, it didn't delete it. It just says, hey, this directory is not empty. It's letting you know there's stuff inside this folder. So if you don't want to delete the stuff inside this folder by accident, it's giving you a little bit of warning. Now you can tell it to delete directories that aren't empty, but be very, very careful with this command, as it will not. If you accidentally delete a folder or files inside that folder, you will not recover them. But I will show you how to do it here. Again, just make sure you're deleting what you really, really want to delete. It's going to be remove dir /s, which is recursive. Remember, if you want to see in options, do a slash and a question mark. The /s removes all directories and files in the specified directory. So it will delete the folder and everything within that folder. So we're going to do remove dir /s and bedroom 1. Are you sure? Yes, we are. And guess what? That is completely gone now. If you look up here in the recycle bin, it's not there. You can run data recovery software, but there is no quick way to get your file back. You can't go in the recycle bin or any of that. So again, make sure that the folder and the files inside it are what you actually want to delete. That will be it for today's video. Thank you and have a good day.